Okay, so it seems that the market is making a top signal today, which is not at all surprising given that we are trading around critical resistance levels on both the indices and several stocks, as we discussed it here on the channel in detail in yesterday's video. But now the overall market is making an interesting reaction, and this opens the door to many opportunities. So let's see what's going on here. But first, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, and as we can see here, let's start talking about Tesla, because Tesla just made a very interesting top signal right under a crystal clear resistance level. See this purple trend line over here connecting the previous top levels? Well, apparently it is acting as a resistance level again. Yesterday we did a bearish candlestick pattern, and today it is confirming yesterday's top signal. We failed in breaking the $246.70, which was the previous top level over here, which was a crystal clear bullish pivot point. We failed in breaking this key point, and this is quite problematic for Tesla, because this tells us that now is not the time for Tesla to resume the bullish momentum over here, and especially because we are right under a very important resistance level, this purple trend line over here, which is the resistance level of this bullish flag of this descending channel chart pattern, as we can see on the weekly chart over here. And these lines are quite weird because there are two of them, right? So see, if Tesla breaks this descending channel upwards, in my humble opinion, we are gonna break this bullish flag upwards, and then the $300 is going to be an easy target for us, very easy. I still believe Tesla is going to retest the all-time high, but of course, this is long-term speaking. Remember, right now we are looking at the weekly chart. Every single candle represents 1 week. So, okay, we are almost there. We almost break this bullish flag upwards, and as we can see on the daily chart, we are frustrating a bullish reaction as well. And this is very problematic, especially because we see the indices losing momentum as well. If we take a look at SPY, SPY is trying to confirm a top signal over here, and honestly, if it does make a top signal at this area, the timing couldn't be better, because we are right around a resistance level. We got very close to the yearly high yesterday over here. The yearly high is at $459.44, to be more specific over here. We almost got there, and we see a massive bearish candlestick pattern. We are losing yesterday's low over here, just like, of course, this could be a possible bear trap, just like it was over here, right? Over here, let me change the color of this circle to red. So see, just like over here, we saw a top signal, and then SPY lost the previous day's low over here, making a massive bearish candlestick pattern, just for this pattern to get completely frustrated in the following day by another massive bullish candlestick pattern. So yes, this could be a fantastic bear trap if you ask me, but it is still too soon to tell. But honestly, SPY deserves a correction in my humble opinion. We have been going up since the 409 right here to the $458. We are going up 12% without even a single pullback. So if you ask me, SPY deserves a pullback, and right now the timing couldn't be better. QQQ faces a similar situation over here. However, unlike SPY, QQQ made a new yearly high yesterday. A new yearly high, however, it was a very bearish candlestick pattern. So we gotta watch out over here. We are losing momentum. We lost the $387.98 again today, which was the previous top level, which was the previous yearly high over here. By losing this key point, QQQ is sending us a message that no, now is not the time for a true breakout. we are going up in one single bullish leg over here. We broke this bullish flag upwards. We broke this ascending channel. I'm so sorry, ascending channel. This descending channel upwards over here. This is what QQQ did. Is what Tesla could do on the weekly chart over here, right? By breaking this descending channel upwards. However, since QQQ is losing momentum right now at this moment, hardly Tesla is going to follow, is going to continue bullish while the broad market is losing momentum, because guys, Tesla is just one piece of this gigantic puzzle. We gotta look at the entire puzzle over here in order to truly understand what is going on. So seeing QQQ, seeing SPY making bearish reactions right around their resistance levels, this is not the best scenario to buy stocks. At best, you can just wait on the sidelines, waiting for another opportunity to buy at a cheaper price level when the risk-reward ratio gets more interesting. What do you mean with when the risk-reward ratio gets more interesting, Nathan? I mean when Tesla approaches its support levels again. What are Tesla's next support levels? We see the 21 EMA over here, the 21 EMA on the daily chart. We see the $226, which was a previous top level on November over here, on the beginning of November, November 3, November 6, and it was a support level on November 17 as well, right? As evidenced by this red circle over here. So $226 area is another interesting key point, and by the way, it is very close to this little gap over here at $225.40. So this entire area, if you ask me, this entire area is supposed to act as a very nice support level on the daily chart, mid-term speaking. And any bullish reaction around the support level, in my humble opinion, would be nothing but another buying opportunity. Now, if we take a look at Tesla over here correcting, if we compare, let's compare Tesla with Nvidia over here. Unlike Tesla, Nvidia is clearly making a bearish pivot point over here. We are making a lower high, lower low. Nvidia is truly turning bearish. So a few days ago, I told you guys, Tesla and Nvidia. These two are my favorite stocks right now at this moment because they could potentially trigger a very good trade. Well, Nvidia failed in doing so. It failed in reacting around its support levels. We are just losing our support levels, by the way. And although I don't see this as a crystal clear, amazing short opportunity, I see that if Nvidia drops a little bit more, maybe it will get at another support level, and only then Nvidia will be a buy. Right now Nvidia is just correcting, and I don't see any meaningful bottom signal over here. It is below the 21 EMA on the daily chart, unlike Tesla, which is still above the 21 EMA. So if you ask me right now at this moment, Tesla is looking better than Nvidia because the risk reward ratio could be more attractive if we see a meaningful reaction around a support level. I mean, Tesla already gave us a very nice buying opportunity over here 2 days ago, which we already took profits, but right now, if you ask me, we should wait for another opportunity. I don't see Tesla as a short, just like Nvidia. I don't see it as a short, especially because we are still above the 21 EMA, and we have yet to see lower highs, lower lows, and we have yet to see the indices confirming their top signals up here. But if we see Tesla reacting again around the support level, then surely it is going to be another buying opportunity. Now, it all depends on how the indices are going to react from here, because if we see QQQ, as far as I know, QQQ could easily correct all the way down to the 21 EMA over here, and still it would maintain the bullish bias. And this is especially true because statistically speaking, December is a relatively green month. It goes up 75% of the time. It has only 25% chances of being an actual bearish month. So seeing a short slash mid-term pullback on tech stocks, especially on Tesla and Nvidia, before another bullish leg would be the ideal scenario to me. But of course, here I'm trying to predict, and remember, trading is reactive. It is not predictive. So let's just wait for more information. Let's just wait to see how the next movements are going to unfold. And of course, I'm gonna be here every single day to keep you guys updated on Tesla, Nvidia, SPY, QQQ, and many other stocks. So consider subscribing this channel if you are not a subscriber yet. I highly appreciate your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.